Here's how to write K in cursive. Starting with the capital letter, we're going to do a mini loop and over and down. So it looks a lot like the capital letter H right now. I'm going to start about the same width I would from a capital H, but this time I'm going to curve in towards my other line, make a loop, go up and over. So curve and down, then slant in, meeting in the middle at the dotted line, loop, up and over. Here's what it looks like without those tracing lines. Little loop and down. Starting meeting in the middle, do a little loop, over and down. Loop, straight down, meet in the middle with a loop, over and down. If I'm doing a lowercase k, starting here at the bottom, I'm going to loop all the way up at the top like many of our letters. Then I'm going to come up, loop in the middle, and give it a little tail there. Up, down, loop in the middle, and then down. So when you're making this loop, you're looping and meeting in the middle between the dotted line and that bottom line. So let's look here without the tracing lines. You'll go up, down, up and over, making a loop and connecting, then continuing.